Hey guys, welcome back. So you guys know that you guys are no stranger to knowing that I am I really like the Chinese Norincos and the Polytechs, and I was digging around on that place that rhymes with Bunhoker the other day, and I ran across something really cool. And what I ran across was a galvanized steel advertising sign for that has the Norinco logo. That's what this massive box is here today. Actually, I say massive, it's real thin, but it's really big. And there's a gentleman out there, I don't know if he cuts them with a water jet or if he cuts them with a plasma torch. I don't know how he cuts them out, but it's a galvanized steel sign that's just basically like a logo. Something really cool to decorate a man cave or just your house, your shop, whatever. So he had these for 40, and I was like, man, I really want one of them because that's going to go in my house because I just think it's really cool. So without further ado, we're going to check it out today. This is probably going to be a really short video, but just wanted to share this with you guys because it's really neat. I'm not seeing anybody else sell one like this. I'm just trying to figure out right now the best way to open this. It's a little confusing here. We're going to try to not destroy, which I have no worry about destroying what's inside, but oh yeah, this is going to be fun. Looks like it's all folded over. But I really want to see what this looks like, see if it looks like what he advertised, and we'll just find out. You guys will see it with me. Even if it's a little rusty looking, I'm okay with that, because I'm up for something that just looks cool. All right. I have to be careful because it's quite sharp and I don't want to cut myself. But like I said, guys, I don't know if he cut this out with a plasma torch or what. Looks like it might have been cut with a plasma torch. Maybe a water jet. I'm not real sure. But there is that cool Norinco logo. It's not real thin. It's probably a little, maybe a little less than 1/8 inch thick steel. It's got some weight to it for sure, but just a really cool decoration for the man cave. I think that's really cool. Do I think it's worth it? To me it is, because I kind of like it. I like stuff like this. Even if it starts to get a little rusty, I mean, that's still going to look kind of cool too. But this is definitely going to be a decoration that I'm going to hang on the wall. Of course, that's the back side. Not nearly as nice. You can see where there's a few little pieces of metal that kind of got melted on the back as they cut through it. But front side looks great. I mean, that is a awesome looking display piece and made out of steel. So that's pretty cool. So if you guys are interested in these, I am by no means selling them. This is purely a decoration, nor am I selling anything. But you guys can find these very easily if you go back and reference the beginning of this video. I think that's just a really cool thing to have in a man cave or just a wall decoration. It's kind of cool to have stuff like that. I don't know about you guys, but I like a lot of the old advertisements and stuff like that. I just think it's cool. So just wanted to share this with you guys today. Like I said, make a nice Christmas present for someone that's definitely has an affinity for things like this. But pretty cool in my opinion. I could have never cut one of these out. I would have made a mess out of it. But just wanted to share this with you guys. And as always, guys, big thank you to my subscribers. Thank you guys for all your likes, your shares, your comments. And until next time, you guys have a great day.